In the past, I've shown you how to do a regular palm spin. Today, I'm going to show you how to take it to the next level by doing it behind your back. The setup for this move is quite simple. It needs to be in your left hand and it needs to be going back behind your back as if you're going to do a behind the back pass. This means you can do it out of a front spin, an over the head spin, a lot of different moves, so it can be put in a lot of different places. The key thing is that your left hand can't be in the very center of the bow when you're going to go past it, because then your right hand isn't going to be in the center and you won't be able to do a palm spin. So it needs to be a little bit off, so you can grab it at least very close to the center, so when you open your hand, you can get it into the center to do your palm spin. Now for the actual palm spin. So as you're going to do your behind the back pass, you're instead going to let it come up further, so it's perpendicular to the ground. Your right hand then grabs the bow in the very center, which is likely on top of the left hand. As you're doing that, you're bending at the waist so that your bow is flat and now your body's flat, so that the bow won't already be tilting one way or the other. From here, you get the left hand out of the way once the right hand fully has it, and then you're going to be opening up your palm. You can push it a little bit with your thumb if you need to, and you can do your palm spin. You need to get your thumb out of the way as well, otherwise the bow is going to hit. It's incredibly difficult to do from a standstill, like I would have had to do there, so you need to make sure you're using the momentum from the spins to start off with. So you need to be very consistent and flowy with this trick in order to actually have that momentum. Once you've allowed the bow to spin a couple times, you're going to want to get out of it. It's a lot harder to maintain momentum behind your back than it is above your head, because you don't have as much momentum to start with. It's a lot trickier. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab the bow the same way you did when it was above your head, making sure that when you grab it, it's perpendicular to your fingers so that you don't actually end up brushing it off of your hand, because it's a lot harder to get back from it. Once you do that, you bring your arm out, and then you can stand up, and then you can start just turning the bow, same as you would, into a front spin, overhead spin, whatever you need to. Like I said, this move is very flexible. It can fit in a lot of different places, similar to the overhead spin, making it extremely useful. Thanks for watching the whole video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments, and check out my channel for more videos.